Thanks, Gil. For you, those of you that already listened to our new CD, you'll find that there's quite a vein of family topics running through it, and this next song is kind of my contribution to that idea. It's the one I wrote about my own family and how I feel about them, and I think it's the same as most of you people here. Pretty well like them, so it's called Country Boy.
We all have heroes, my dad was mine. Thinking about his life on earth makes me feel fine. He tested the water for a life like mine, dancing while his fiddle played in perfect time. That's what makes me feel good, like when I breathe in salty air. If you think I'm crazy, then I just don't care. That's where I come from. It's the root that feeds the tree. You can't change an island country boy like me. I think about my mother all the time. She brought 4 lives into this world, including mine. And she made us ready to toe the line. She taught us love and prayed that we would be alright. That's what makes me feel good, like when I breathe in salty air. If you think I'm crazy, then I just don't care. That's where I come from. It's the root that feeds the tree. You can't change an island country boy like me. I think about my children and the woman I love, and I hope they'll have good memories when I'm gone. That's what makes me feel good, like when I breathe in salty air. If you think I'm crazy, then I just don't care. That's where I come from. It's the root that feeds the tree, and you can't change an island country boy like me. That's what makes me feel good, like when I breathe in salty air. If you think I'm crazy, then I just don't care. That's where I come from. It's the root that feeds the tree, and you can't change an island country boy like me. We all have heroes, my dad was mine.